Here's a breakdown of the impacts we're expecting with the next round of storms pushing in overnight. Heavy rain is going to be the main impact. There's a high likelihood of downpours, potentially even leading to flooding, as there's a tropical train of moisture being pulled right into our area. Strong wind is another potential. We'll see potential gusts over 30 to even 40 miles per hour for the region. Frequent lightning, but also there's even the slightest risk of a tornado trying to develop. Brief and weak likely. But this is something that we could see, especially moving down toward coastal areas. So the south coast moving toward the Cape, right on into Connecticut and Rhode Island overnight. This is the main storm system we're tracking. It's a coastal low that's moving right from the Carolinas through the mid-Atlantic and right into southern New England. We're also going to see some interaction with this storm system to the west, the same one that produced severe weather earlier this week. For now, though, clear skies for us with clouds just starting to gather as we move towards sunset tonight. So most of your Saturday is going to be dry. It's going to be sunny. A great opportunity to get outside because tomorrow will be more difficult. As we move toward 1 to 2 a.m., already at that point, we're firing off with a storm and shower potential. And as that moves in, we're going to see very strong areas of wind pushing through the region as well. We move towards 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. Areas of downpours with those thunderstorms that develop, that will be likely. So it's a very active morning for us. We move toward the late morning to early afternoon, and we'll see a bit of a transition from severe weather to more so scattered showers with just some areas of thunderstorms. And that's the case for the afternoon. Notice that at no point are we clearing out or drying out. We're going to stay with a lot of clouds and on and off shower chances right on into tomorrow evening, and then by late tomorrow night into Monday morning, a new round of showers and storms developing, which will impact much of your Monday outlook. Rainfall is going to accumulate quickly, and so with any thunderstorms that develop, that potential downpour threat bringing the risk of over an inch of rainfall for areas of our region, and that is going to bring the concern for flash flooding as well. Sunshine's out right now in Boston. We have temperatures in the 60s with that dew point in the 50s, so it's feeling nice and dry out there. Highs today are actually well below average. On the coastline, low to mid 70s with that east wind kicking in, closer to upper 70s near 80 inland with that low humidity. It's going to feel very comfortable. Then tonight, 60s expected. It's a dry start, but the storms roll in pre-dawn and keep things rather active through tomorrow. We're expecting highs tomorrow in the upper 70s to lower 80s. So the highlight of the weekend forecast will really be today. We have sunshine in place, high in the 70s, low humidity, dew points climbing with that humidity as we head into tonight through tomorrow, and the high humidity sticks around through the rest of the work week. If you have plans for this work week ahead, it's going to be difficult because pretty much every day there is a threat of showers and thunderstorms developing as we'll hold on to that high humidity in the region.